Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I am attempting to repair this damage. It is a crack in the PTO shaft for the dirt auger. Unfortunately, I left it attached to the auger over winter, and water got down in there and split this. So far I haven't been able to find a replacement shaft for this, and I don't want to buy a whole new one because, surprise surprise, Tractor Supply doesn't have the one that fits this without doing several changes to a bunch of things. So we're gonna try and fix this. If it works, great. If not, I'll have to keep searching and buy a whole new one. Let's get the welder fired up and see if it'll work. All right, cross your fingers. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I figured that might be a problem. Turn that way down. I had a feeling that might be an issue, and I'm gonna come back here where it might be a little bit cooler and try it again. Well, I followed the line, at least. It's ugly, but I'm not blowing a hole in it. Jeez, that is ugly. It might be worth bumping up to 90, because I dropped it down to 75 minimum for that rod, 60-13. So it might be worth bumping it up to 90. That way I can run it a little bit quicker, as long as it doesn't split in half when I go to use it for the first time. That's drainage right there. That's what that is. Should have grabbed a long sleeve shirt, but oh well. Yeah, no, there's only a little bit of flammable liquid in there. By the time I'm done, it'll be all out. Alright, let's try this again. Really? Oh yeah, we're having fun. We're having fun now. This is not going well. It's another hole. If that ain't ugly, that's ugly. Ow. Should have put headphones on. We're gonna touch up these couple of holes real quick, and then a floppy disk, and sand it down. Try and make it smooth, let it cool off, and then see if it still fits. That's the main thing. If this is the outer shaft, so if the inner shaft still fits in it, we're good, as long as it holds up. If it doesn't, well, we tried and we still have to buy a new one. All right, there goes nothing. I can turn it on first. Making the holes bigger. That's going to be the concern, is if this is gone down in and I can't get it in far enough to actually get it connected to the tractor, we're going to be in trouble. But if I can get it in far enough and we can get it connected, we'll be fine. That's the question. Hey, we got that one. Almost. Not yet. Nope. Alright, we're gonna leave that hole for now and hope it doesn't come back to bite us. We might try and touch it up again, but I feel like I'm just dumping junk in there for no reason. I've got a 40 grit Diablo sanding wheel, so we're gonna rip through this, get it cleaned up as best I can, try and make sure it's as balanced as possible, and then we'll try and run the inner tube down through it and see if it's still usable. Otherwise, I'll take this and, I don't know, find somebody that can put a new tube on this. Well, as you can see, I have that hole, and there's a lot of gunk in here. Down here it's okay, but here there's a lot of rust and gunk inside that crack, so I'm not surprised that it's a really bad weld, and I don't weld all the time, so I'm not surprised. Neither should you. Not gonna lie, my money's on it's not gonna work, so that's just where my money's at. It's not that my ability isn't there, which it's not, but I just expect to. Okay, that might be far enough. As long as I can get this back out. Okay. Oh, shoot. it back out. It's certainly ugly, but we're gonna let this cool down and we'll test it on the tractor and see. We'll drill a hole and see if it'll hold up. If it just splits in half, then we know, well, it didn't do it, but we'll see, I guess. All right, we're gonna do a quick test drill to see if this is just gonna blow apart or if it's actually gonna hold up. Well, we'll keep the window between us. Turn it on. Yeah. So far it hasn't blown apart, but we haven't hit. It's not actually gone into the ground yet. We're just completely covered in grass. Awesome. Well, it didn't explode, so that's good, but we're gonna test it again here in a second. All right, we're gonna try it again, but not in the grass. See if it actually works this time. We might be good this time. Let's go take a look. I just want to check it and make sure that there's no cracking. All right, I think we're good. Cool. Worst case, if I get some more cracking either side, I can just kind of grind it, weld it, grind it again. I think we'll be good. Hope you found this video at least entertaining. If you have any helpful tips for repairing things in the future or re-repairing this in the future, leave them in the comments so I can hopefully get better at welding the few times a year that I have to do it. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.